Hello, Claudio. How are you? I'm here checking your new take. Okay, at first, I'm glad to know that the videos are helping and that now you could find out which were the main problems. I have to say that your new take shows improvements regarding all the things that I talked about in the previous video. Uh, there's, of course, some work to do. There's room for improvements because you just need more days, but now you know where to focus, you know where to pay attention, okay, and you know which are the things that you need to work. I have to say that this new take shows that you are focusing much more on your vibrato, okay. I decided that I would say vibrato, not vibrato, but it's the same, I think. I think that your vibrato is much better here. Remember always to try to let the note sound, okay? Don't start it always very fast. If you, for example, check out some Angus Young solos, you see that he uses that nervous type of vibrato, okay, but not all the time. In some parts, it's part of the expressing. It's part of the expression of his soloing. I thought that a string broke, but not. It's part of the expression of his solos, but if he would do it all the time, it wouldn't have effect. Okay, so remember to let the note sound and then add it gradually. But your vibrato is much better and it's happening all the time, even in the higher part here. Let's continue. Let's continue. There, that's a great vibrato. Let's hear it again. Yeah, that. It's very mild steam. I like it. Okay, that trill is better. There's a bit more room to make it sound tighter, but you are much closer. Great job. Great vibrato there. Everywhere. Great vibrato. Yeah. Okay, that bend is better. The slide is now tight. Great job. It's nailed it. Yeah, the vibrato there is good. Yeah, that one is a bit rushed there. Okay, this passage is tighter. It's a lot better. It's a lot better. Yeah, you polished also that part. And finally, yeah, alternate peak in there. Okay, you need to polish the trill there. You could isolate that part. Okay, maybe it's one of the trickier ones because you have to do the trill with your pinky. Okay, this is a lot better. So congrats on your hard work. I think that you just need more days of practice. You have to do the same thing that you've been doing. You are on the right track. So please continue practicing like this and share a take whenever you want. Tomorrow, in 2 days, 3 days. But you are doing a great job. Congrats.